Hey everyone. If you can't delete or unsend messages on Instagram, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a few quick and easy fixes that can help solve the problem. Just follow each step carefully. First, open the Instagram chat where the message is located. Press and hold the message, and normally you'll see the Unsend option. You can also tap More, where you'll find the Delete option. If these options aren't showing up, or if they appear but don't work when you tap them, don't worry. Let's go through the fixes. First, go back to your home screen. Before anything else, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and check if there's an update button. If an update is available, install it completely. Running the latest version helps fix bugs and improves app performance. If you're using an Android phone, you should also clear the Instagram app cache. Find the Instagram app on your phone. Then press and hold the app icon until a small menu appears. Tap the App Info or Info I button. Once you're in the Instagram app info page, scroll down and go to Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the problem. Don't worry, clearing the cache won't delete your account, messages, or personal data. If you've already done both of these and the problem still isn't fixed, move on to the next step. Now, open Instagram again and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner to go to Settings and Activity. Once you're there, scroll all the way down until you find Help, then tap on it. Next, tap Report a Problem. If you see the option at the bottom that's turned on, switch it off first. Then tap Report a Problem and choose Include and Continue. Here, simply describe the issue you're facing. For example, if your messages aren't deleting, you can write, "Hello Instagram, messages are not deleting." If the option itself isn't showing up, you can write "Delete option not showing" or "Unsend option not showing." Once you've written your message, tap Send to submit the report to Instagram. After that, wait for some time. In many cases, this is just a temporary Instagram bug or glitch, which is why the problem happens. Make sure your Instagram app stays updated, and also check that your internet connection is working properly. You can also restart your phone once and then try again. That's all you need to do. After waiting for a while, your problem should be resolved once Instagram fixes the issue. If you've tried every step and the issue still isn't fixed, don't worry. This could be a temporary Instagram bug or server-side issue. In that case, keep your app updated and wait for Instagram to resolve the problem. Once the bug is fixed, the delete and unsend features should start working normally again. And that's it. After following these steps, your Instagram message delete or unsend problem should be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.